Okay, in this video we will have a look at how we can connect Teststand to Systemlink. So if you know Systemlink, you would be able to log in into its web interface using your Systemlink web client. In the web client you can log in with your username and password, and once you log in you'll be able to find the Systemlink's system management. However, there are some more options like test insights or the measurement data analytics, and specifically you have the data administration and files and alarms. So we will be looking at how we can send our reports from the test stand to the Systemlink in this demonstration, as well as we will see how we can upload any type of files in this example. So for that, let me go back to Teststand and have a look at what are all the options available in Teststand. In Teststand, I have logged into the Teststand account, and you can find that once we log into the Teststand, we have the Systemlink in the ingestion palette, and it has various custom steps that will help us to connect with Systemlink. Some of the Systemlink custom steps are you can get the notification strategies, or you can get the address groups, or get the email templates from the Systemlink, or you can upload the file, add some keywords or add some property, or send some email notification. In this example, we are particularly interested in uploading some files and also sending some reports to the Systemlink. To do that, how do you do is you would initially do the configuration of the result processing, and in the result processing you would add the NA Systemlink test monitor client. By default it may not be added, and when you install Systemlink it might have added. If it is not in your system, you can click on the show more options and go to this insert new and select the Systemlink test monitor client to get it added here. Once it is added, you can click the enabled option, and also you can go to the settings to see what all the different options available there. In here you have the general options like test data reporting, system status tags, asset utilization tracking. All those are enabled by default. What it means is it will send the data reports and status of the assets, and system tags will be sent over. It will also upload the reports to the system software reports and asset report files. And when we click OK and come back and create a simple sequence now, and let's say that we are getting a very basic sequence with a basic message pop-up that tells something like I'm going to send data to Systemlink, and beneath that let's add an upload file step. And once we add this file step, we can attach the file in different ways. For now, we will give a fixed file path to make it simple. So here I have configured 3 different steps with a CSV file and an image file and a PDF file to be uploaded to the Systemlink. So when I try to run this sequence now in the single pass, and when it gets running, we will be able to see the results here. And when it is running, we can provide some serial number for the sequential model. Let me say 1 2 3 4 and click OK, and that will run the sequence and show up my simple message, and I can say OK. Then it will upload the files and finishes the sequence. And now when I stop the sequence, I will be able to find the HTML report like this, a simple report. And also when I go back to the Systemlink web client and look for the files under the utilities, I should be able to see all my files here. I have the course.csv that I uploaded, I have the screenshot, PNG, I have the PDF, and I have the report as well. When we open this report and have a preview, we will be able to see the same report what we saw in the test stand, and also we will be able to see the other file previews. Here is a CSV file preview of the course.csv. Here is the PNG preview of the Ionic core that I had, and here is the PDF form preview of the PDF form. And that is how you will make use of Teststand connection to the Systemlink. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to contact.